Yeah, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Quick cheeky little unboxing of what I think is the Pinecone D32, I think. Could be completely wrong, but we'll see shortly. This isn't a crawler, it's just a fun little K car basically. Along the lines of like a little smart car. The Mini EV. Yeah, D32 Mini. Mini EV Wuling. Oh no, it's not Pinecone, it's Cxd. So yeah, the Cxd D32 Mini. Same people that make the lovely little Beetles and the VW bus. So yeah, if you read that, 3 different colours. I think I went for the yellow one. Yeah, nothing too exciting on the box. Might help if I get it right way around. There's an instruction manual. Not in English, but no major hardship. I'm sure we can figure out where the bits and pieces go. That's a cool little thing. So yeah, that'll probably be quite obvious when I start putting that back together. So that's all your bits of lights and things. By the looks, it's got light buckets where you can maybe put LEDs. So it doesn't come with LEDs. And then we've got all the plastic accessories, sort of mirrors, number plate, etc. It's got suspension. Doors don't open. Boot doesn't open. Floating rear axle. I'm guessing that's probably a 130 or maybe even 180 motor. Little old one cell. don't think we have any lights with this one. Either that or the battery is very, very flat. Don't know why they can't just have little clips, but then again, if kids are playing with these, then probably saves the batteries falling out every few minutes. We are back. That's good. So I'm guessing that's an electric 2-speed maybe. And then your steering dual rate. Or it might be tone rate. Let's see. Yeah, it's either a very flat battery or I've not plugged it in properly. Okay, so this one's dead out of the box. Seemingly. Wow. That was a quick review, wasn't it? That's a fun looking little thing. We need to open it up now. Independent front suspension. Potentially good little steering angle. Let's quickly open this up and see if I can see anything obvious. Okay, I've opened it up. It is full of lights. There's a connection at the back to disconnect the rear lights. 4 screws underneath, 2 at the front, 2 at the back. It does seem like there's a bit of a dodgy connection here, because as I moved one of these, I started seeing the lights flashing. Unplug the steering servo. I think I'm going to unplug these and just re-plug them back in, a bit less twisted. So after all of that, it turned out to be a dodgy power switch. So we do apparently have lights. No rear indicators. No front indicators. Brake lights. So it's not steering there. let's get these accessories on. Okay, welcome back to the messy workbench. Alright, so I've got this working. I've also got the decals on. As I said, it was a dodgy power switch, so I've managed to get the power switch to work. So I don't really want to turn it off. I will replace it. It looks like a WPL switch or something might work at some point. But for now, so we've got all the decals on, and we've got all the plastic trims, lights, fog lights, mirrors, roof rails, roof aerial, Wuling badge on the back. Put a couple of the Cxd stickers on it just to kind of break it up a little. It's got a reasonable interior. Fun little thing. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be like a Chinese, like electric EV K car type thing. So that's first speed. Second speed is a little more snappy. I've destroyed the workbench. But yeah, no indicators. We do have brake lights. Yeah, fun little drive. Just something a little bit different. Durability test. Happy to report it's durable. So yeah, just get a bit of run footage, and well, it'll only be in the kitchen or something, but that'll probably be the end of that video. Please like, comment and subscribe. There's only about 6% of people that are subscribed, so please do, it does help, and all the likes help as well. Helps the algorithms know that people like the content and helps push it out a bit more. So thanks for watching, have a good day, and enjoy the run footage. Bye for now.